here at the More Midnight Special. Awesome little course. It's going to be tight. Lots of gotchas out there. Got a great turnout here. Love having all the limited classes. It's something we miss in some of the larger series. So it's really cool watching the 516 cars and the 1600s and everything.
Moore set up a really good course for this race. There's a lot of real fast stuff. There's some big holes, some G-outs. You really got to watch yourself. I'm looking forward to it. There's some scary spots, but it's looks like a lot of fun.
I said it last time I was here, man, these Moore races are no joke. These guys put on a tough course out there. There's a lot of rocks and silt. Just kept getting worse and worse and worse. I don't know if those class 11s do it, but man, what a day.
I love Cody's look on it. I like how he's expanding. He's not afraid to try new things. I think he's doing a great job, and that's why it's such a big turnout. Everybody thinks so. So we'll be happy to do it again.